Welcome to our foundation channel. From class 8, the chapter number 10 is Exploring Geometric Figures. So in this video, I'll explain first the concept of the symmetry, then followed by 2D and 3D shapes of the geometry. And you can get the worksheets for practicing purpose for the symmetry problems. You can see the link in description below. Get the PDF file and you can practice from the worksheet, right? First of all, the basic skill you require is lines of symmetry. So if any figure is given, so the line of symmetry divides the figure in half. Both sides of the figure must be exactly same. So this is the triangle, right? First one is the triangle. If you this dotted line is making this figure exactly equal to half. If you fold from this, they must be coincide exactly. So that's the meaning of this. And if you take one circle, there's one circular diagram. So from this, if you cut through the middle and you can fold it, so this line exactly divide this figure into two equal parts. So both sides of the triangle look exactly same. That's why this figure is symmetrical. Here also symmetrical. But same line if you do like horizontal, is it possible? This is small and big. So no. That's why this is not symmetrical. So this line is not symmetry for this. So this shape or this triangle we can do symmetry, but line of symmetry is vertical, so not horizontal, right? Same as square. Square has so many line of symmetry. So thing is which line make the diagram, make the figure in exactly half. So both sides figure must be exactly same. So I am giving some different figures here. You have to calculate, means you have to find out exactly, draw the line of symmetry. Not only this one, you can have the some more questions from the PDF file I'm showing in the link in description below. Now you can download and practice. You have similar problems also from that. Now this diagram, which line make exactly two parts? So this is a line of symmetry. If I draw like this, it's not possible. And for this one you can check. If these two sides are same, is possible, but not same. If there is no, you can write. And we have many for this. 1, 2. Just observe where we can make into that line or the shape exactly coincide. So all the possible lines of symmetry you can draw for this following shapes. So this we can draw in this. Just I am giving some questions, some I am showing, remaining all you can practice. Okay. Next one. Tell whether the dotted lines, already dotted lines are given some questions. Each shape represents the line of symmetry, yes or no. Okay, so this is missed here. This is vertical. Is possible. This is S, right? And this dotted line. So this also S. But in this, it will be coincide. No, this both, because this here and this place. This also not, right? And some worksheets you need to draw the line of symmetry. Some worksheets line of symmetry are given. You need to find out. So this worksheet is you should draw. Only way which line make exactly the figure into half, that you should draw for this. Okay, we can draw like this. No, not horizontally is not possible. Only vertical. These all, yeah, we can make this exactly through center. Not only win. How many are possible? That many can draw. We can draw like this one more. This is possible. And this diagram vertically is not possible, only horizontal. So it is only observing now, remaining problems practice from the worksheets, right? Next questions in this, half of the figure is given, symmetrical shape, remaining half you have to fill it. So through this line, if you fill, you exactly coincide to the other side. Just you can draw on your paper easily. You can fill all this. Not I'm not showing. So if you keep the mirror position, how it look like, same other side. So it should come in this way. These all problems you can practice from the worksheet. Next concept or next skill in this. This is the rotational. Rotation symmetry means they're asking order. The meaning of order is, now for example this is a diagram. One full circle if you rotate, one complete circle if you rotate, comes same shape. But while doing one full circle, how many times the same shape will appear through the center? This is center, imagine. This one, if I rotate exactly 180 degrees, upside down will come. Again back to the 360 degrees two times. So two times you'll get the same shape. One full circle if you rotate, how many times you'll get the same shape? That many times. That is the order of that shape it is. Okay, some questions are given. You need to find out the order of the shape. See this example, then you can practice on the worksheet. This equilateral triangle. So for full circle, when complete 360 degrees if you rotate, three times it will show the same shape. That's why order of this shape, order of the equilateral triangle. So order of the rotational symmetry is 3. Square will come 4 times. Regular pentagon will be 5 times. One full circle, 360 degrees. Regular hexagon will be 6 times. So just observe, this is the order of the rotational symmetries, order of the diagram. If this is not possible, just write the no rotational symmetry. So when complete circle, how many times the same shape will appear, that many times you have to count. That is the order, one full circle. Whatever shape it is, when complete 360, one time will come. But more than one, you can find through the order, right? First of all, in 3D shapes, in this class, you should know the isometric dot paper to draw the 3D shapes. Okay, get the isometric dot papers. I'm giving the paper also. If you want, you can take the printout. After taking the dot paper, isometric dot paper, you need to draw all the 3D shapes. Just a few examples I'm showing, but in worksheets I'll give number of examples. Those all you need to draw in this isometric dot paper. So like for example, if you observe, we can start any one of the corner. These are the 4 joints, right? So you can take middle, one place. Let us take join this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 by joining. Next, every line towards uh, vertical lines it is exactly. So from every line you can make straight lines. So 1, 2 from every this. So 1, 2. Again from down here is these 3 lines are there. Again this line is exactly straight. No? So you also can join this straight. So you can get exactly isometric dot paper if you get it. Just based on that you can make the shape. Now towards this 3 points. So 1, 2, 3. From this again right side is 2. Next from here is again join the straight line. 2 lines are there. So you join them, then every corner line is a vertical lines. Just by observing these shapes you can make this straight line you draw. Even these corners. You can join those. Join the shape. So then you can shade this or you can frame this diagram just to join the shape. This is one shape. So some shapes I am giving. So by seeing you can draw that. Then afterwards without seeing also you can practice. So take the isometric dot sheet, dot paper. So you can practice all the 3D shapes, around 15 to 20 different shapes I'm giving in the worksheet. Those all you can practice in this isometric dot paper. So that will improve the proper skill in this 3D shapes to draw. Right. Next one, once perfect of all these concepts, next let us see the properties and the types of all the 3D shapes one by one. Right. I'll show you a full list. You can see once. First one is a cube. This is a cube shape. Faces, edges and vertices. How many faces are there? So surrounding 4 and top 1, down 1. 6 faces. And these are the edges. So which are seeing, this is one edge. One which I am drawing with red. So these are the 4 edges. And 5, 6, 7, edge. 8, again 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 edges. And vertices are the corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. 6 faces, 8, 12 edges and 8 vertices for this cube. Same way you can apply for triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid is base is in triangular shape. Every base one of the corner is joined, triangles are there. Three triangle having three sides, no? So three triangles will come surrounding, triangular pyramid. And triangular prism. So prism is side faces are exactly rectangular shapes. It's a triangular shape. Cone faces only one or two, just is only base, surrounding can take. This is option. Edges surrounding on one. So this we can take only one or two. Just some way we can consider 0 or 1 also. So vertices is only one. If you treat this also one matrix. That's why they give options. But mainly triangular prism, cuboid, cylinder, square pyramid. So these all I'm giving this faces, edges and vertices you observe. Depending on this, we have the formula, that is Euler's formula. Faces plus vertices is equals to edges plus 2. For example, first one. Faces is 6, vertices is 8 and edges is 12 plus 2. 6 plus 8 is 14, 12 plus 2 is 14. So should match. The formula is f plus v is equals to e plus 2. Some books they can write even f plus v minus e is equals to 2 also. Both are same. F plus v minus e is equals to, or f plus v is equals to e plus 2. Same. So using this formula, that is faces plus vertices and is equals to e plus 2, or minus e is equals to. So e plus 2 we can take. Based on this formula, I am giving some questions. So first a few pages all regarding isometric dot sheets, 3D papers and all the classifying the 3D, those type of all worksheets are there. And you have the problems also. I am giving some pages. Let us see this. Polyhedron has 6 faces, 7 vertices. How many edges does it have? How many edges? So you can use this formula. According to the question, face is 6. So f is equal to 6, v is equal to 7 and e is equals to how much? So we substitute here. We know f plus v is equal to e plus 2. F plus, so 6 plus v is 7 is equals to, e is not given, you have to find out e plus 2. 6 plus 7, 13 is equals to e plus 2. Then e is equals to 13 minus 2, so 11. So 11 edges will be polyhedron. So according to this, we can draw the shape also. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Use the Euler's theorem. You can find out. And the diagram also you can explain through that. For example, 10th question. Euler's theorem only they are asking. Euler's theorem is f plus v is equals to e plus 2. Using this theorem, calculate how many edges, which is having 6 faces. So 6 plus vertices is 8 is equals to e plus 2. This is 14 is equals to e plus 2. Then e is equals to 12, right? Edges is 12. So Euler's theorem we can apply, especially in this worksheet. Not only this, I'm giving different 3D shapes including faces, vertices, edges. You just have to apply in the Euler's also. Worksheets are giving, those you can practice. And all the shapes are given, especially this dot paper also. To draw all the 3D shapes you can practice to improve all the basic skills only, especially in this chapter. We can get that PDF file and practice.